Welcome to CondoLogy.
I'm CondoBot. The first part of our administration in CondoLogy, we can say that it is completed. At this stage, we have completed the description of the condominium. We have completed the budget items for the budget. We have registered all co-owners and affiliated syndicates. At this point, what we will have to do is pay the accounts. In fact, we must update the accounts and the contributions received. If your administration has already started for a while, and you have made payments for budget items, at this point, you will have to enter your transactions inside CondoLogy. So we go to the form, budget items under the tab, register of follow-up or payments. At the level of the register of condominium, it is the co-owners who must first provide the information to be able to collect contributions and condo fees. We will have to enter these transactions inside the files of each of the co-owners. Same thing at the syndicate level. If there are budget items which are redistributed expenses, there are syndicates which will have payment methods. You will have to complete these transactions in CondoLogy. We are now going to go to the budget items to complete a transaction. We are going here to our payment tracking. We must understand that we are in a period which, even if there are dates which are entered in CondoLogy, it should be noted that we are capable of positioning ourselves almost any time of the year to make these transactions. The first thing, we can place our columns well to be able to have good visibility, to be sure that the payment dates then followed by us are clearly visible, and we can even record the modifications of the repositioning of our report. So firstly, at the top, these happen to be follow-up dates. So here, we see that today would be October 6th, ultimately, the first of the month. The air conditioning, let's say that this inspection has been postponed. Let's go inside the form and we will simply write that it was postponed to Monday the 16th. Like that. So automatically at the report level, the positioning of the inspection of the items, air conditioning, came back to be repositioned at 16 here. At the payment level, we have the payment dates, so if we have a payment, wow, we just saw that we are late in paying our accountant. We will immediately pay our accounting assistant. So, we have to make a payment of $675, and it's a payment that is biannual. So we come here, we click on the three little green dots, and we click on Edit. The total cost is $1,350, which was planned in the budget, and we will come and enter a transaction. We do as of today. We make an Interact transfer of $675 and the number of the invoice. Well, we understand. Now here, we will say, first, payment, late. If we go back a little higher here, we see that the amount of the next payment was $675. We paid $675. There will be amounts that will come back to us here in the redistributed expenses because this expense is redistributed. So for the moment, we have a disbursement of $675. So we can immediately set our date in December. Let's say December 11th for the next payment of our accounting assistant.